Hello and welcome to this week's news highlights. In a landmark upgrade for Indian highways, the National Highways Authority of India or NHAI has introduced a camera-based automatic toll collection system on key routes like the Chennai-Bengaluru National Highway and GST Road. Using automatic number plate recognition or ANPR and RFID technology, the multi-lane free-flow system will allow vehicles to pass tolls without stopping at speeds of up to 150 kilometers per hour. With this, India moves closer to barrier-free, fuel-efficient and time-saving travel across national highways. In a major philanthropic milestone, the Edelgive Hurun India Philanthropy List 2025 revealed that 191 Indian donors contributed 10,380 crore rupees this year, an 85% increase in just 3 years. Shiv Nadar retained the title of India's most generous philanthropist, donating 2,708 crore rupees, followed by Mukesh Ambani at 626 crore. Rohini Nilekani topped the women's list, while Nikhil Kamath of Zerodha emerged as the youngest major donor. With education receiving over 4,000 crore rupees, Mumbai was declared India's philanthropy capital, proving that India's culture of giving is stronger than ever. India's public health efforts achieved global recognition as the Swasth Nari Shasakt Parivar Abhiyan earned 3 Guinness World Records for its massive outreach. Conducted between September 17 and October 2nd, the Women's Health Campaign reached over 11 crore people, organized 19.7 lakh health camps and screened millions for hypertension, cancer and anemia. Prime Minister Modi hailed it as a defining step towards a healthier, empowered Bharat, showcasing how technology and community participation can make public health a true people's movement. In Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced a boost in financial aid for worker families under the Kanya Vivah Sahayata Yojana. Beneficiaries will now receive up to 85,000 rupees for mass marriages with additional funds for event arrangements. The scheme, benefiting over 1.88 crore registered workers, ensures that no worker's daughter faces hardship when starting a new life, strengthening welfare and dignity for India's labor force. And finally, Oscar-winning composer A.R. Rahman made his directorial debut with La Musque, unveiled at the India Game Developers Conference 2025 in Chennai. Touted as the world's first multisensory VR cinematic experience, the film immerses audiences through sight, sound, touch and scent, marking a new era in storytelling. From Cannes to Chennai, La Musque showcases India's growing strength at the intersection of art, technology and innovation, redefining how we experience cinema. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more stories of progress, innovation and inspiration from across India.